So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing no internet connection when you are trying to download or update a game in Steam tools, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing you why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can follow these steps and watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So this is the step by step method. So first open Steam folder, then go to this folder and this is the program files. Number 2, find app manifest files. You will see files like app manifest 730.acf, appfest 570.acf. Each file is one game. Number 3, delete app manifest files. Delete the app manifest file of the game you are having issue with, or delete all app manifest files. Safe, Steam will recreate them. Number 4, restart Steam. Open Steam. It will redetect games, recreate fresh manifest files, and after this run Steam tools again. First run as administrator, then try again. Error should be gone. I hope guys this helps you. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.